Alright, we're back out here again today. Not really having any luck so far. Been out here for a few hours already. We got one broken hollow skirt, but I think I see a barks root deer. Sure enough. I was actually about to leave, but I started finding some 60s beer bottles. So I'm gonna keep going a little further. Maybe we can get onto a hot patch or something. Pretty nice day. It's a little cloudy. But when it's cloudy, it takes away the shade, so. Alright, let's see what we can find. Alright, I finally found a bottle that tells me we could be in a good spot. Nice circle slug. Looks like it's blown in the mold. I think it says Cumberland on there. But as I just turned the camera on, I spotted a hollow skirt. Right there. Looks good from up here. It's going to be a patent office. 1950s bottle right next to an early 1900s bottle. Hey, I'll take it. This is the... Well, I did find that Barks bottle, but this is only the second whole bottle I found today. Believe me, I'm ecstatic. I'm glad I pressed on. I was about to leave. So it looks like I got a wide search area too. Let's see, here's a bottle. No, it's another Barks. Wonder if that would have had a, yeah, it would have had a paint label. But I'm gonna go ahead and bring it out since I picked it up. Alright, I'll get back with you on the next bottle find. Alright, looks like we got another hobble skirt. Tell you what, man, whenever you're having a bad day, you can always count on a couple trusty old hobble skirts. Give me another patent office. Take it. I'm liking the fact that there's no current here too. Should help preserve the bottles. Alright, I just picked up this drinking glass. I don't see any damage to it, so it's pretty cool. I'll take that. It's the first complete one of those I've ever found. And then right here we got another hobble skirt. Still hoping for an older one. No, I think it's gonna be another patent office. Let's see. Yeah, patent office. That's alright though, man. I'm just happy to be finding stuff now. Especially after yesterday and getting stung by all them bees. Itching like crazy now. Alright, I just picked up 2 German brewing companies. I didn't pull my phone out because this stuff is so slow moving with every step that I take. It clouds up really fast. But up there, pretty much like right And there is at least another hobble skirt. There's something else next to it. So I'm gonna sneak up there and grab these, and we'll move out into the sunlight and see what they are. All right, let's see if this one's any older. Yeah, it's a Pat D. This one's gonna look really nice. I'd say we definitely hit a bottle dump. Just gotta weave in and out along the shoreline here. I did see a broken top to a milk bottle. Man, one of those would be great today. And on to the next. Alright, I think I got a first for this channel. Oh man. I'll tell you what. I think this thing's gonna end up looking pretty cool. I don't foresee myself using it. Holy crap. Man, you never know what you're gonna find out here. Absolutely hilarious. Alright, let's get back to it. Alright, we got a beer bottle down here. Let's see if we can grab it on camera. Maybe it'll be another German brewing. It is, but it's an older one. They're a different stylation. Heck yeah. This spot is freaking loaded. Wish I had just started here instead of where I did. I did find a 1915 Coke, but it's a sheared top on it. Alright, I found another beer bottle. I can feel embossing on the side. I have not looked at it yet, so let's see what it is. Hoster, Columbus, Ohio. Abico. I think that one's blown out of mold. I think I found one of these before. Man, these bottles, like, they feel like the cleanest bottles I've ever found. You know what I mean? I don't feel any rash to them at all. Alright, we'll get that out off camera. Let's keep looking. I still got a few more hours yet to go. Alright, here's the results of that hunt. It started off very slow, but things picked up, and they picked up quick. So first, let's talk about the Barks bottles. I have one more left soaking. Found a total of 5. The 5th one is green. I'm probably gonna pitch it. It's outside. It was an ACL. And this one right here, as I was cleaning it, I noticed in the bottom, this one has a town on it. I don't know if you can see that on there. Right there. Spin it around. It's from Hagerstown. I've never found a Barks root beer with the city on it, so I'm thrilled to have that. Let's get those out of the way. Let's see, we got this Cloverdale. I'm assuming that was some type of ginger ale. Got a bunch of hobble skirts, 7 in total that were complete. The oldest of these are think I found 1 or 2 Pat D, but the current was moving so slow there that these are not rashed up at all. Just a few of them have some case wear, so those cleaned up really nice. I did find 2 broken 1915s and a broken 1923, and then we got 5 beer bottles. I don't think I got them all on camera, but we got this nice pictorial German brewing company, 2 of the standard German brewing companies. Got this blown in a mold Hasser Columbus AB Co. I guess that's Anheuser-Busch. And then I found a few of these last year, but it's a pretty bottle. It's blown in a mold. You can see nice bubbles in it. Acme Brewing Company. And then last but not least, this was hard to clean, but this was probably the funniest find of the day. Still got a little bit of staining in there. It's hard to clean. I'm not gonna say what it is. If you know, you know. I never thought I'd find that in a river. Oh man, that's funny. So yeah, definitely will be going back there. And these bottles look amazing. So there was the one circle slug that had the bottom blown out of it. That would have been nice to have had. Like I said, both of the 1915 Cokes, they probably were not going to be rashed up either, but they were broken. And I don't think this was the bottle dump. I actually think this is just a spot where, you know, somebody lived up on the banks, and they just came down there, do some fishing, and probably chucked their beverage in there when they were done with it, the bottle. So yeah, we'll definitely be heading back there. I found that spot, I don't know, probably over halfway through the hunt, so I kind of ran out of time. But nothing too exciting other than the centerpiece there. So until the next time, thank you for watching.